Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Anyways, so basically I'm on this squishy thing, and anyways, 10:30 I have to start the video. So, fine. Yeah. Okay, so I was just texting my dad, but he likes to, well, basically, I asked him like, okay, if you were an animal, what animal would you be? And then he's like, oh, I want to play this. And he's like, oh, I'm gonna be a horse. What is this? Felicia, no. What is it? I don't care. Unless it hatches a unicorn, I'm not gonna pet it. Here's an example. Okay, I just took a picture of it, so, let's see. Hopefully my black matches it. On my free time, I just do squishies for myself, so we'll do that right now. Show you how I do it. Let's see, what else did you want? I'm a savage. What's happening? Here's your squishy, Felicia. Hey, I'm so happy. Thank you. Okay, so these are all the things I've done. So this, I made a present for my dad. This is basically my shelf. And it's gonna keep getting bigger as I make squishies. But these are from my friends. But I know no one plays this. It's not for me, so I'm not expecting anything. So you have to have a number, someone to give it to them, and if they have the same app, then I can make it for you. But yeah, I'm a classic bougie. What's happening? Okay, start going. Y'all scream. Yes. I'm gonna make it this. I'm literally going to make it what it's supposed to be. I mean, there's no right or wrong in doing this. I just really like pink. It's really cute. Yes, queen. I think I'm done. Yes. Oh, yes. Felicia. The candy. Well. The candy. Narwhal. Felicia's candy. Okay, Felicia. Okay, her name's. So this is. So if you want to buy it, it's called Candy Narwhal. Yeah, so squishy. Oh, squishy. It's better than having the real squishy. Oh my god, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna send you. What the heck? This is really weird. I don't want that avatar. Never. Yes. Okay. This is me about one. It's beautiful. Okay. Hence, the pig is really cute. Let's make the mermaid though. I'm savage. How is the mermaid? How is the mermaid? I don't watch a freaking video. I don't care. Can you find 5 clips? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god, Felicia. Oh. Cancel. Beep. There's one right there, there's one right there, there's one right there, and there's one right there. Okay, Peach. Let's use this one. You know what? No, I don't like that. Let's put this. Yes. Yes, I like this. Okay, let's put like, okay. Oh yeah, you do have glossy green. I'm like so sad I didn't have any glossy greens, but I have them. Me as a mermaid. Yes. Glossy browns. Ooh, I love glossy brown. Okay, this is me. I'm a classic. Oh no, underwater is perfect for this. Sea mermaid. But she's raining. Oh, definitely not slow rise. Sucks. And it's supposed to be smooth. It's supposed to be orange. Wow. Polynesian. No, Felicia. I want to do foil turning. What are you supposed to do? It's like so boring. That's cool. Okay. And now to make more. So basically, I'm going to do one. What time is it? Are you kidding me? Oh my. So let's go to doing orders. Oh my god, that's a really cute one. So I just need to take a photo of it so I can, do it. Nice. So if you guys want an example, how I have to leave soon because I still have school. I'm only 9. Sucks. I like school much. Yeah. Like it. Awesome. Perfect. Yeah. Hope you like it. Okay, that's it. Yeah. Okay, she gave me a present. Thank you. A new pack. I use these for every squishy. Sure, that's really cute. Let me just screenshot every single one. This is why my camera, my photo memory is full. So I have to screenshot every one of them. And I like to keep them because it's like my masterpieces. And like I know what I did, No people just like really like. Well, people are like very happy that I got a job to make squishies. I think I make a good $100 a week. Sure. Let me just screenshot. I love it. What is the white for? What's the beeping white for? Oh, you want it to be white? It's not that nice. You got it, thank you. I'm glad it's mail because I don't want to like go to people's houses and like be giving it to them, Ooh. Cool. How's this cool? I wouldn't be sad if someone did this to my waffle. This is what I want. He's squishy. You're welcome. Okay. Okay. Beeping kidding me. I never did anything to them and they always just give me ads. Oh my god, it's already 2027? I don't want Toy Blast. Toy Blast freaking sucks. Beep. I hate Toy Blast. I can't believe you're doing this to me, Squishy Maker. Okay. Let's make one that would be cute. Oh my god, this one would be so cute with pastel stripes. Yes. Okay. Since they're kind of pink and like glossy pink, this is perfect. I have unlocked a lot. I just started this game today, like this morning. And I've unlocked like basically mostly everything. My freaking dog is right here watching me freaking creep. Freaking My freaking Doge is stoking me. My freaking Doge. Oh my god, they're about the same color. Felicia, what am I gonna do? Oh my god, I have glitter. I can't believe I have glitter after all this time. I just found out I had glitter. Yes. You know what? No, I'm gonna do this color. Yes. No, I want it to be pink again. I don't want to die, but I don't want to do this way. I love it. No man, love it. Yes, so pumped. How do I look with this though? Yeah, no. Have it. No. Yeah, I like it. Like it. That's so wet. Get up, okay, and I'm up. Go up, down. That's so wet. Where's my pencil? Yes, this is what I'm aiming for. Cotton candy. There. Yeah, I'm loving it. It's like the cutest thing. Oh yeah, people are sending me like $30. If you guys want to shop for my, what is this? Okay. If you guys want to shop for my squishies, only $30 each, and if you buy one right now. Oh my god, I didn't go to school, guys. It's 10:30 Felicia. What is my teacher still doing that? Okay, guys.
Whoa.
There we go. Okay, bye guys. Hope you like it. I will do more videos later today.